All right, folks, check it out. Today, Jaden, what is up, my man?
How's it going?
So, what are we doing today?
We're taking some shit to the dump.
Yeah, we're gonna take that off and we're gonna load it up in Jaden's dump trailer. Look at this messy trailer, dude. What have you been doing, hauling drywall?
Yeah.
Look at that. Woo, yeah, he's got some use out of it. Still pretty clean. I like it. Uh-oh, they break something?
Yeah, I just saw this. A little screw.
Oh, dang.
Oh, well.
Hey, that's what happens when you start using your stuff, right? Start breaking stuff. So I'm gonna go get the Jeep keys. We're gonna move the Jeep and then we're gonna back this truck right up to the trailer.
Look at that view. It's a beauty. We're gonna back her right up and just slidey slide.
You go stand on it.
Yeah, I don't want to get fiberglass in my leg. Sorry.
Oh, you got shorts.
Yeah.
Body slam.
I don't need it.
Whee! Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Other than, how does it look?
Much better.
Yes. All right, guys, gals, whoever's watching this channel, look, I'm gonna go on to the other side actually, but Jaden's here with Got to Go. We're gonna go on the other side here real fast. I'm gonna show you his little business. If you guys need some junk and you're in Utah County, Salt Lake County, Gotta Go junk removal and hauling. He'll come haul your stuff. Look at that, he came right to my house. Look at that truck. So I got the stuff off of it. It actually sits, that sits good. I was thinking I was gonna have to lower the rear end a little bit, but that actually sits good. So now we're gonna start sanding and we're gonna paint this. I think I changed my mind the other day. I was talking about orange. I'm gonna go white. So we're gonna primer this thing silver. I'm gonna try to get some new rims, probably some 20s, some 20-inch rims on there. But yeah, Let me know what you want to see me do to this truck. We're gonna do some stuff to the interior. I need a seat. I need a seat. If anybody has a seat for this or that, I'm gonna try to find a new seat, and then yeah. But anyways, that's it. Go have fun, go smile, go have a good weekend. If it's what, well, depending on when you're watching this, but go have fun, smile, and work hard. Invest your money, start businesses, get dogs,
together like-minded men. Get a brotherhood of like-minded men.
or women, or any this business.
Like-minded
people.
Yes.
All right. Is that all you have to say? We're ending it. We're sending it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way